I hope you all are safe at your home. So, as in the previous video, we understood the half chapter, chapter number 7, Away in Kodi. Today, we are going to continue with the next paragraph. Okay, so we will start from the next morning. Okay, so let us begin. You have to read with me, alright? The next morning, Ankita woke up to the call of birds instead of her usual alarm. After a quick bath, she joined her grandparents for breakfast, her eyes searching the table for her usual toast and scrambled eggs. Okay, so now it was the next morning and Ankita wake up to the call of birds. Okay, instead of her usual alarm, she woke up with the call of birds and she joined her grandparents for breakfast. But her eyes was searching for what? It was searching for usual toast and scrambled eggs. But Grandma put a plate of piping hot pongal in front of her. She dug her spoon into the mound of yellow rice. It was delicious. So, in the next morning, the breakfast was little bit different, as Ankita was having a usual habit of eating toast and scrambled eggs. Instead of that, she got pongal, okay, and mound of yellow rice. It was very much delicious. Do you like it? Grandma asked. It is yummy. Can I have some more, please? She said. So, Grandma is asking to Ankita that did you like the breakfast? So, Ankita replies that it is yummy. Can I have some more, please? Grandma looked delighted as she ladled more rice on her plate. Okay, so grandma offered some more rice to Ankita. After breakfast, grandpa said, "Your cycle is outside, Ankita. When you come back, you will see something interesting. The chicks that hatched yesterday." Okay, so grandpa is saying to Ankita that your cycle is already outside. You can come back and you will see something interesting. What was that? The chicks that had hatched, okay, yesterday. Your grandma handed her a small backpack. I have packed some fruit, a snack, a bottle of water, and napkins. You can have a picnic while you are out. So, as she was going outside the house with her cycle to roam in the village, so grandma had packed a small backpack. So, what was there in that backpack? It was a fruit, snack, and bottle of water and napkins. Okay, so that she can have a small picnic with their friends and she can go out. The doorbell rang. The girl and the boy about Ankita's age stood at the door. Grandpa introduced them. Ankita, meet Vani and Varun from the farm next to ours. They will go cycling with you. So now what is Grandpa doing? He is introducing Ankita with her new friends. So who were their new friends? They were Vani and Varun, who were their neighbors. Okay, so grandpa said that you will go cycling with them. Ankita took her backpack, climbed onto her cycle, and started riding with them. Rolly ran beside them. They raced each other through the fields till they come to a huge banyan tree with long aerial roots. The children got off and leaned their cycles against the tree. Vani jumped and grabbed a hanging root. "Give me a push, Varun," she said. As she bent her knees and started swinging, Rolly joined in the game, jumping up to catch her with every swing. So now Ankita, Vani, and Varun went off to cycling on the road. So they ran, and Rolly, who was a dog, also ran beside them, as you can see in the picture. Okay, so they raced through the fields, okay, till they reached a huge banyan tree. So banyan tree has aerial roots, right? What is aerial? Hanging in the air. We can see a long roots of banyan tree. So Vani tried to jump up and grab a hanging root, and she asked Varun to give a push so that she can swing. Okay, and what did Rolly do? He also joined in the game by jumping up to catch their swing. There's a mango tree full of sweet green mangoes. We can go and pluck some, Varun said. So now what is Varun saying? That there is a mango tree with full of sweet green mangoes. We can go and we can pluck some from there. This is fun. I think my adventure has just begun, Ankita said, with a smile as wide as the field. Yes, let us go right away. She was happy. She was away in Kodi. So now, as in the starting in the initial period, Ankita was tense that how will I survive here in the village, as there was no network. But now she is enjoying because she is able to ride the bicycle. Okay, she is allowed to eat very nice food items. So she is very much happy and she is enjoying because she is away in Kodi. I hope you all have understood this chapter through this video. Thank you and have a nice day.